Alright, we mix up 2 tablespoons of grease stripper to 1 liter of hot boiling water. So we mix it up thoroughly. There's 1 liter of hot boiling water going in right now. This filter is too big for our tub, so we'll do it a bit differently. Normally you just lay it down and let it soak and agitate a bit. But here we just have to agitate in this way. So you agitate it and you'll watch the grease come off. It'll just stream off this filter. There you go, it's starting to go. And there it's in full swing now. It's degreasing this filter like you won't imagine. When she pulls this filter out, it's going to look like new in the area that we clean. And I mean like new. So just pick up a bottle of this stuff, mix it up with hot boiling water, and you've got yourself a job that was a real dog to do has become very simple. See? Richard's original grease stripper. Makes it like new. Part we didn't clean is dirty, and what's cleaned is new. Just get it.